Hi there, Matthew Laskaj here, and in just 2 minutes I'm going to talk about planned maintenance and how you know what the right planned maintenance is. Why are you doing it? And should you go with the manufacturer's recommendations or use your own choices? Let's look at a simple example to see how it can work for you. So what does my car manual suggest? Here's a few taken out of the manual. Check the oil level every fuel stop. Don't know how many people do that. Oil change every 12 months or 10,000 miles. But the transmission fluids only every 120,000 miles. What about the tyres? Check them monthly for the condition. Rotate them from front to back every 10,000 miles. There's a whole load of planned maintenance suggestions that you can get from most manuals. So let's look specifically at the engine oil for my car. If we change the oil too often, we're going to be throwing it away when it's still got useful life left. And we're going to be harming the environment by using more oil and disposing of more oil than we need to. But if we don't change the oil often enough, the oil is not going to lubricate the car because it's going to break down, the engine will wear. In both instances, we're going to be spending more money than we need to. So where's that balance between too much and not enough? To start with, I'd always suggest going with the manufacturer's recommendations. 5,000 miles, 10,000 miles. My manual says 10,000 or yearly, whichever comes first. Synthetic or regular oil. Both of these choices come down to how often you drive the car, under what conditions you drive it, what is the context that it's operating in. Then, once you've got some history, build up some data. Have you had any failures? What was the condition of the oil like when you changed it? Was it still good? Get it analysed and tested. Can you make it go longer, or do you need to make the period shorter? Speak to some experts. Build up your own history. Once you've got that, you can make your own informed decision. Start with manufacturer's recommendations. Step 2, build up your own data. That's how you can optimize your own plant maintenance. If you want to improve your maintenance and reliability, then check out other videos in the series, or join our community on Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, or connect on LinkedIn.